guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing the summer FabFitFun unboxing video. I am so excited to open this because I know that there are going to be a bunch of cute summery things in here and I just cannot wait. I am super pumped. And if you guys don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service which you pay only $50 every 3 months and you get over $250 worth of items, which I believe is a bargain. And this is what this month's box looks like. It looks so beautiful. I love how they always incorporate such bright, vibrant colors into the boxes every month. So I'm just super pumped to open it. And if you guys are new here on my channel, hi, my name's Leilani. I upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday. So make sure you click that subscribe button down below and also turn on that post notification bell. It is right next to the subscribe button. So let's just get started. I'm so excited to open this. And this season's box is in support of Wildlife Conservation Society. And that's another thing about FabFitFun is that each box is in support of a different foundation or charities. And this is what the inside looks like when you first open it up. Again, very bright colors. Ooh, I already see some awesome stuff in here. Yay. So the first thing I see is the Tartist Pro Glow Palette. I have the Tartist eyeshadow palette, but now I have the cheek palette. Ooh, the packaging is very pretty. It has like this little panel to open it. And that's what it looks like. Wow. It smells pretty good. It kind of smells like chocolate. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like that, but it smells like that. And this is worth $45, which is almost the full price of what you're paying for this entire box. So that's pretty neat. Next we have this Coola Classic Sunscreen, and it is 50 SPF. I said that backwards. And it is SPF 50. Oh my goodness, I am all over the place. Let's continue. Okay, so it has SPF 50 and it's organic. Okay, I like the packaging so far. Let's see the actual bottle. Ooh, cute. This is so adorable. And I need sunscreen too for my face. And that sunscreen was $32. Next we have this little box from Pier One Imports. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, it's a plate! I got a plate, guys. This is actually really cute. I'm so excited. It is a Hexagon Plate. And I'm guessing this is for your jewelry. But this is so adorable. Ooh, I like this a lot. It is so pretty. It's outlined in gold. And this is $14.99. Oh, it's a ring dish. That's what it's called. But, oh, I like this a lot. That's very cute. And it matches my room too, which is perfect. So next we have this Sports Loop Resistance Band. It is $15. And it's to tighten and tone that summer bod. Really build my muscles and my arms. I don't know if this is an actual exercise you do with this, but I can feel it already in my arms. And then I'm pretty sure you can do this for your arms, your back, and your legs. Oh, it says it targets the abs, biceps, legs, and back muscles. That took me a little while to figure out what the heck this is. So basically, it's a facial cleansing brush technology. Like you can link this to an app on your phone and I guess it just tells you stuff about your skin maybe. Like in the picture here it says your result 22 skin age. So that's so neat. That is really cool. And it says that it takes AAA batteries. So modern. Love technology. This thing is $89. So next we have the Orlando Peeta Play Hair Protectant Spray for damp or dry hair. The ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. I love the packaging. So it says up to 450 degree heat protection, provides humidity control. Perfect, because in the summer my hair becomes wild. It's insane. Shields from environmental stressors, enhances manageability, helps repair split ends, preserves shine, smooths hair cuticle, promotes softness, helps maintain color, and refreshes curls. towels. This is $34. Next we have this Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. It says you mix this thoroughly so the oils and salts combine into a luxurious paste. And in the shower or bath, after your daily bathing ritual, apply the body caviar and massage over warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Your skin will be left feeling wonderfully moisturized and pampered. And this is $48. I got a straw. It says this straw saves marine life. Nice. So I guess it's biodegradable. That's why it says it's good for marine life. And then last but not least, we have this makeup train case, which is $58, and this is so cute. This is perfect, like if I'm doing my makeup at my friend's house or like at school or something when I have an event during the school year. That is everything that's in my FABFITFUN box. I am so impressed with everything. So that is it with my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give it a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on that post notification bell. You know the drill. So that is it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!